Guys, you like it or not, let's face this. We are in this money game. We have to pay our bills in order to fulfill our basic needs. So why not become an expert of this game and win? So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing tip which my mentor gave it to me, and that is play the game to win. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. I have a question for you guys. How many of you are football fans? How many of you are aware of Josh Mourinho? He is the highest paid football coach. So in an interview, he was asked why you are so harsh and straightforward on face. He says a beautiful line. He says that nice people don't make it big. And I'm not here to be nice, but to be straightforward and make it big in life. So guys, what do you think? What is the role of a coach or a mentor? He can guide you. He can tell you and show you the path. But when the real stuff comes, when you are on the ground, he can't do anything. It's your thing. It's in your hand to make a goal. It's in your hand to defend. It's in your hand to attack. It's in your hand to score for your team. And how does it happen? What do you think players might be having in their mind while they're playing the game? Obviously they need to entertain. They need to play very well. They have to coordinate. But the one thing which is always there in their mind is they play the game to win. They score to win. They defend every goal and ensure their victory. The most important is win. It starts from here. And how you win? By practicing, by trying out things, by doing multiple things. And there is no difference at all in real life. Like I talked about the money game, it's the same. You need to get better at it and need to make sure that you are progressing. And how you will progress and how you will see that you're getting better by trying out multiple stuff, by doing new things. If you don't try new things, then how in this earth you will be able to understand that you are progressing? How you on the earth you will understand there are multiple and various possibilities waiting for you guys to explore and make money out of it. So get on your grooves, guys. Get this thing done and live a life, because there is much more to life than money. It's much bigger and brighter. Have an abundance mindset. Have a winner's mindset. Affirm this in the comment section, because once you reaffirm this thing, then it gets into your subconscious mind that I play the game to win. Now is the time. When is the time? Now is the time. I play the game to win, no matter whatever happens, because I know it is important for me to win this game. I don't know about others, but it is important for me to win this game. The choice is yours. Either you can play the game to make money, or you can play the game to entertain. So this is pretty much about the videos, guys, today. And thank you so much for watching the video and tuning in today. If you find any value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section how do you find it and where you guys are tuning in from. I'll see you next week with an amazing track coming our way. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी.